Guys, I have a great way to clean something. Wait. Something that you may not even know it's there. Something that you open your door every day, and you don't know it's there. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. Every day. All right, follow me right here. So this thing, it's called a door jamb. We highly recommend getting this thing clean because all of this dirt and road grime will take up down, especially down underneath your door. So there is 4 different ways you can do it. 4 different ways you can do it. Now the first one is going to be all-purpose cleaner and a microfiber towel. Okay, let's get our all-purpose cleaner, give it a nice, wait for it, spray. Let it soak for a little bit. And then you want to go ahead and grab a microfiber towel and start wiping that surface down. Now, the only issue I have with using this method is you won't be able to agitate very much. So you can kind of just clean up like the touch-up surfaces. But let's show you another way to do it. Next would be using all-purpose cleaner, a towel, and a brush. Usually a harder one would do the job. So we'll go ahead and spray it down. Let it agitate for a little bit, and then go ahead and spray your brush. Let the brush do the work. A painter's brush would work as well because it's basically the same bristles. And then once you're complete with that, just go ahead and wipe it up with your microfiber towel. That is an excellent way to do it. Now let's go ahead and show you the next way. Now, step 3 is taking your wand from your power washer or your hose and spraying it in the door trim of the vehicle. So you're thinking, what? No, this does not. No way. We're not spraying this anywhere near the vehicle, especially if the door's open. But, however, if you do it at the right angle, you won't get any water into your vehicle. Isn't that crazy? That's crazy. Let's go ahead and do this. And nuts, if you do get any water in your vehicle, go ahead and wipe it down with a microfiber towel and you should be good to go. See how easy this was? And what you can do to agitate a little bit more is doing the first steps. Put an all-purpose cleaner in there. Get your brush. Agitate a little bit. Because once you agitate it more of it will actually come off, so you have to do less work with the power washer. So you're essentially just wiping it down with some water. See how easy that was? Not crazy? Let's go. And it's simple as that. The last step is using a steamer. We might have to do that on a different day. Okay, so we're gonna do the 4th and final step of the process. We're going to use a steam wand, some all-purpose cleaner, spray it first, put this on, and then we're gonna go ahead and agitate it with a brush. You can skip the brush step if it's not caked on very much, but I do highly recommend using a brush as well. And then we'll wipe it down with a microfiber towel and we should be good to go. So first step, go ahead and spray it. And then we'll go ahead and use the steamer. And then we'll go ahead and use the brush. Just kind of agitate that a little bit, if needed. Steamer should loosen up pretty much everything, but since this vehicle is on a dirty road every single day and every single week, it's good to agitate all of this dirt. And then when you're done using the brush, go ahead and use a microfiber towel and go ahead and clean the rest. If you need to, open the door. If not, no big deal. You can just work on the other half from this side of the vehicle. So that is the fourth step. I can get back to you guys. You just saw the fourth step of the cleaning process. Thank you for doing that on a different day. Thanks everyone for watching this video. I appreciate it. Smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, or just click the button. It's easy. Just click that button. Wait, I'll wait for it. Are you done yet? Okay. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.